Hey folks, Ron DeGennaro here at I'm Just Saying Do-It-Yourself Home Projects. And today's topic is how do we maintain our lawn when we have so many Christmas decorations on our lawn? I mean, as you can see here, this has been a big question that I've been getting from a lot of people here. And fortunately, well, unfortunately, I should say, this is a problem. It's only a South Florida or warm weather climate problem that we have, because obviously in states up north, it's snowing, the grass is not growing, so you don't have to worry about mowing your grass during the winter time. So since I've been getting a lot of these comments, I'm gonna just say this is go out and get yourself one of these. It's a weed whacker. You don't have to spend a lot of money. This is the only thing. I mean, I have a landscaper, but this is the only thing that I use this for, is actually wintertime, to just trim around all the lawn ornaments or lawn displays, Christmas decorations. That's what I use it for. And what I do here is basically I trim around all the decorations, and then I let my landscapers, I go to a certain point. As you can see, this is an area that I've done already, and I stopped here, and then the lawn, my landscapers will take it from here. I personally don't like the landscapers trimming around my wires. I don't trust them. I can't. I mean, I've had problems with them stepping on some of my uplighting, and they're careless. They want to be in and out. I'm no disrespect, but it's not their property. They want to be in and out, so they're moving fast, and they don't watch where they step. And the same thing when they're going to be cutting around your beautiful decorations. They're gonna just I don't know, something's gonna get broken. So I'd rather just do it myself. I come out the day before. It's a Friday. They come on a Saturday, and I do it myself. And I just, like I said, I take it to a certain point, and then they go from there. Let me show you. Excuse me. Key point here. Now, here is, I got this. What I normally do is to protect from moisture and rain and popping breakers. I put plastic over each of the connections, and then what I normally do is some people tape this all the way around this whole thing here. I don't do that, and the reason being is because you want to be able to disconnect this. Hold on a second. Let me just disconnect this real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And you want to be able to take this and just throw it in each direction you want, and there you have your area that you can cut. And that's how I do it. Now keep in mind, folks, I am not an expert. I mean, these are things that I picked up, and that made it easier for me. As you can see, I can do it on any part of the lawn. Just disconnect. Everything is under here. Disconnect, throw it over there, throw it over there. This is a little more complicated. I just trim in the front first, underneath, and then I hit it from the other side, and then I edge it. And that's it. I mean, it's not that hard. It's I still got lawn here. Like I said, my weed whacker ran out of battery, so I'm just waiting for that to charge. But in the meantime, we'll go to the back. I'm going to show you what I didn't do the back yet. I started it yesterday, and I'm holding off because I'm going to let them come and mow tomorrow, and then that's when I'm going to hit it. I started lining the fence, doing the fence work, and today I'm going to do some wrapping the trees up here. These trees are going to get wrapped with lights. If you can see around the back of the fence here, I have lights running all along there. I got candy canes. I got these big candy, 4 sets of big candy canes, and then I have a bunch of little ones that are gonna go in between. And I got a beautiful tree, a modern Christmas tree that's gonna come and be out here as well. We got some lights up there, and then I'm gonna put some lights, more lights on the pergola here. And I just rearranged this whole thing there, so don't mind, it's a little dirty. They had a fire pit and everything used to be over here. I just swapped everything yesterday. And that's what else? Yeah, and then we got a bunch of lawn ornaments and stuff that's gonna go here. It's gonna look really nice. Now the thing back here is it's gonna be a different vibe. We wanted to go with the warm white instead of the cool white that we have up front, because we have all these landscape, all these uplighting and hardscape lighting. It's warm white. It gives a better vibe, you know. So it's just a different theme we're going with back here. So you'll see it. I'll post it. I'll probably be done with it this weekend, and we're just gonna do it right. Got a party coming up, so we're getting prepared for that, and that's it. So in the meantime, folks, once again, thank you guys very much for all the support. I mean, it's been great reading everything, and I want to thank you for supporting, and my wife also thanks you. And yeah, each year it's gonna get bigger and better. Next year, I don't know how much more we can do to the front without it making it look gaudy. But we're gonna figure out something, and it's gonna be nice. It always is. We'll probably go animated, so we'll start going animated. That's a big project, and it's also very expensive. So, but that's it for now. Thank you very much. And to the next video, which will probably be next week once I get the lights up in the back. You guys be safe, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.